Hi guys, this video is on auto recovery files in MS Office 2019. Auto recovery saves your file to a hard disk so you can find it in case if there is a power failure or there is accidental reset of your computer. So in case of that, you can easily find your file. So if you go to Word, after going here, you can see there's an option file. You can go in that. Then here is option. After going to options, you have to go to save, and this is the place where you can find your file. So you can just copy this thing, and you need to go to that location. You can go to my computer, just copy that location or address and say enter, and it will take you there. So recently I have crashed one of the file here at 3:59. So you can see this is the recent file. I can show you how does it work. So what I'll do now is I'll take one fresh file. We'll just close that file like how it happens in shutdown or when the computer resets, and then we'll get that file in that folder. Okay. So before we do anything, we can make one changes in our auto recovery. We can change that auto recovery option to 1 minute. So I'll show you how we can do it. You can go to Word. After going to Word, you can go to File and you can go to Options and Save. And see here, you can see the save auto recovery information every 10 minutes. So just change it to 1 minute. So you'll be able to recover the most recent updated copy of your file if you change it to 1 minute. And this is the place where you get your file in case of any failure or any accidental shutdowns. This is a folder where you'll get it. So I'll just change it to 1 minute, and let's take a small example so that you can see how does it work. So I have taken one document, I have changed the timing to 1 minute, so I don't need to wait for 10 minutes. So that my file will be saved and then we'll find it in that folder. So I write something randomly here. Suppose I am taking 5 paragraphs and I was working on this file and the name of this file is document1, and suddenly my computer got shut down, and suppose now I'm not shut downing my computer, I'm just doing it with the help of taskbar. So I'm intentionally closing that Word file without saving it so that my auto recovery option will get it for me. So now once the computer restarts, and it will come and it will end up on the desktop, right? So what you have to do is you have to go to Word, then you have to just copy that file folder address. See, here you'll get this auto recovery, but in case if you're not getting it, you'll get it here, auto recovery, document recovery on your left hand side. But in case if you click on this, it will open up your recent file will be, which is auto recovered, you'll get it here. But in case if you're not getting it, you can just, in case if this window is not coming up, then what you can do is you can go to File and Options and Save, and here is the place where you will find your file. So you can just copy this address and just go outside to my computer and you can just paste it here and enter, and this will open up. And see, you can see here it's 419, and now the time is 421, and this is 419. So this is the file which I was working, and there was a failure in it. So this is how you can get your file. See, so I was having around 5 paragraphs in that, right? Or else, if you're getting this window coming up, then you can simply double click this, and that recovery file will open up. Like if you're going to Word, after your computer restarts, if you go here, you can see. See, now nothing is coming up here just because there is no like accidental closing of any of the files. So there is no window coming up this time. You can see here it is blank. Since everything was working fine, my last document was been saved properly, or it's been recovered properly. So this time it is not coming. So whenever there is failure, it will come up. If it is not coming, now you know the way you can get it. So this is the way you can get it, right? And this is the folder you can get it. This place where it is stored. So you just need to go there, put that address. And this is how where it is stored. So you can see it here. This is 419. So this is my file which has been, this is, you can see and you can get it back. What you'll lose is if you have changed it to 1 minute, you can lose only for that part. Last 1 minute part you'll lose. Last 1 minute part. But if you have set it on 10 minutes, obviously you may lose that last 10-minute part. So if you keep it less, it is better for you. Thank you. Hope you understand this video, this topic properly. And if you like this video, you can subscribe and you can hit the like button. Thank you.